This is a pre-recorded presentation for the 2020 Psychonomic Society annual meeting. Hi everyone, my name is Pengfei Zhu. The topic of my presentation is the effect of task context, for example, task difficulty and task rule on group decision efficiency. Previous studies have shown that a group inhibited a decision advantage over an individual decision maker, suggesting a collective benefit. However, an increasing number of studies have challenged ideas that group decisions would always outperform individual decisions. A potential factor that may influence the collective benefit is task context. In a speeded decision task assisted by an automated aid, Yamani and McCarty showed that decision efficiency increased only under an unusual and easy task condition, decreased under difficult task conditions. However, under the condition of group decision-making, task context could affect the group decision efficiency differently. As the increase of task difficulty, it is also possible that collective benefit increases for more communication between participants is made, and compared to all rule, participants make decisions more conservatively under an N rule. Therefore, collective benefit may differ under different task rules as well. To summarize, we hypothesize that collective benefit increases as the task difficulty increases. Larger collective benefit under an N rule than an O rule. To this end, a TL conjunction search task was conducted. Participants were required to search for 0 or 1 or 2 Ts among 25 or 60 Ls individually and collaboratively. Task with 25 distractors was an easy condition and the task with 60 distractors was a difficult condition. In experiment 1, participants had to detect the presence of any target. It is an OR rule, while in experiment 2, participants had to report the number of targets. It is an N rule. In each experiment, 20 students participated and were divided randomly into 10 pairs. To look at the group decision efficiency, we can consider the system spectral technology measure of capacity. In this study, workload capacity rivaled the variation of decision efficiency as a function of the number of decision makers. A supercapacity system implies that the group decision efficiency increases by adding more decision units. In a limited capacity system, group decision efficiency decreases as an additional decision unit is added. Finally, in an unlimited capacity system, group decision efficiency does not change when an additional decision unit is added. Our results showed that all the capacity coefficient functions rivaled supercapacity, suggesting collective benefit. This implies that under different task rules and task difficulties, group decision-making all could outperform individual decisions. We further compared the capacity coefficient functions under different task rules and task difficulties. We found that the capacity z-score, a summary measure of the entire capacity function, increased as the task difficulty increased with an N rule, while with an O rule, the capacity z-score was unaffected by the task difficulty, and under the easy condition, z-score with an O rule was higher than z-score with an N rule, where under the difficult condition, no significant difference between z-score with an O rule and with an N rule. In summary, we manipulated task rules and task difficulties to investigate how task context affects the group decision efficiency. We first found that it rivaled collective benefit under all task rules and task difficulties. Then, after further analyzing the workload capacity, the influence of task context was really interesting. On one hand, task difficulties affected the collective benefit, differed depending on the task rules. Task difficulties only affected the collective benefit under an N rule and have no influence on the collective benefit under an O rule. On the other hand, the impact of task rules on the collective benefit differed depending on the task difficulties. Only under the easy condition, collective benefit was larger under an O rule than under an N rule. There was no difference under difficult conditions. In conclusion, our results suggested that collective benefit is observed only under suitable task difficulty and appropriate decision rule. That's all. If there is any question, please feel free to contact me. Thank you for your listening.